Hello, kids! Welcome to our game. This game is called Nakakabasa na ako. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's play! What we have to do is to find the missing syllable. I tell you the word, and then you'll answer. Ki. Yes, that is correct. Lalaki means boy. Please subscribe for more learning videos. Let's continue. E. Yes, that is correct. Babae means girl. Binata. Yes, that is correct. Binata means young man. Dalaga. Yes, that is correct. Dalaga means young women. Abaka. Yes, that is correct. Abaka is a plant. It looks like a banana tree. And we use it to make ropes and other things. Isn't that cool? Kusina. Yes, that is correct. Kusina means kitchen. Kabute. Yes, that is correct. Kabute means mushroom. Let's do a challenge. Can you read this? Let's try. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit.
Yummy!
Calabasa. Calabasa means squash. Wow, kids, you are so smart. Great job. You completed all the words. Aba, nakakabasa ka na. Keep practicing and keep reading. Like and subscribe. See you on the next episode.